Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you're doing great. So in the recent times, you see the news talking about the market crash in all the social media platform. As per my analysis, Nifty can go up and the market can go up in the coming days based on few technical indication. So I'll explain that in the charts. If you are a trader, we're gonna trade based on news. It's gonna be a difficult time for you guys because news are controlled by manipulators. So we as retail traders, we do not have the enough data to trade on those news or interpret those news, whether the market can go up or down. If you're new to trading or if you've been trading, always don't trade based on others' opinion. Always make analysis by your own and trade on your own responsibility. So if you're watching the video for the first time, guys, please do hit the like button, please do subscribe, and please do comment if you have any doubts. And thank you guys for watching.
Hello friends, this is Nifty charts on daily time frame. So you see Nifty, has been in the continuous uptrend, right? You see this year from here till here, you see that Nifty was in a continuous uptrend, right? Making lower highs, right, and higher highs. So this is basically an uptrend, right? Now, when you come back to the recent market situation, we know that this was the previous high lows, right? When this lows was being broken, this confirmed us there is a downtrend. Nifty is in a downtrend, right? So you see the market fell and went up, the market is falling now, the market went up, right? Then there is a fall. Now, as per my analysis, the market can go up. With what prediction? So you see, when I put a trend line over this place, so now you see Nifty was been respecting this trend line on the downside, right? Yeah. Now you see here at the top, Nifty started to fall. So many people said based on Trump or based on the tariff news from US, the market fell. That can be one of the reasons, but the ultimate based on the technical indication, we can see that there was a trend line on the top side and the market came here, people shorted there, and now it is at this place, right? Now coming back to the analysis, so what can Nifty do in the coming days? So you see there is a good support on the downside, right? So now you see this candle, right? You see this candle is a pin bar candle, or this place is a good pin bar candle. What did the people do? The people shorted here, okay, and people booked their profit exactly on this trend line over this place, and that's why you see a huge up move towards this place. So after the price bouncing back towards the upside, the price came and at the same level the price started to go up, isn't it? Now as per my analysis, what can the price do? There was a break here, the price went up, right? Nifty went up. Now coming back to the 1 hour time frame, we just see Nifty is it's continuously making higher highs, right? Continuously making higher highs. Now if I put a trend line over this place, the price is taking a good support over this place. Probably the price can come down till here and then go up. Okay, that is one of the analysis. And the another analysis would be, you see a trend line over this place, right? So Nifty took a multiple support here and there was a break and then there was a retest and the price will go up, right? So this is how you can trade trend lines and you can predict market moves using one simple tool called trend lines. Okay, if you have not watched the trend line video that I have shared earlier, like how you have to trade trend lines, please do watch it. It's very important for traders to know about that. So now what can the market do, or what can the price do? The price can either go up like this. So when I say Nifty is going up, it means the stocks also will go up, okay? Or else what can the Nifty do? The Nifty can break this trend line and come down and take a support over this place, and it can rally towards the high side. There's low chance for the Nifty to come to this place and take here and go down, but most probably the Nifty, as per my analysis, Nifty can go up from here or here, okay? And then we can see some kind of consolidation over here, and then Nifty can break out or either break down. That's the ultimate thing. Okay, so this is the analysis for now. If you're a swing trader, this is the right time to trade. And thank you guys for watching, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.